Celebrate with us by supporting the people, places, and programs on campus
during Southwestern Giving Day.
The clock is ticking, so make your gift today.
I feel like a word that describes my overall Southwestern experience would be invaluable. Southwestern is truly a place where I've grown as a person. The people that I've met here, the long-lasting relationships that I've developed, I can never be more thankful.
As a first-generation and international student, I needed a lot of help getting to learn the ropes of college. And if it were not for all of the helpful resources that are on our campus, like CCPD and our advisors and professors, everything definitely would have been a little bit harder than it was. I am so glad that these resources are available to us.
Southwestern has given me such an amazing opportunity because of the liberal arts education that I get. I get to work one-on-one with my teachers and they help me to find internships. And it's also amazing because I'm not just a student athlete. I'm also a student. I'm also involved in Greek life and a bunch of other clubs. So it's very well-rounded and that's my favorite part.
The clock is ticking. Make your gift.